Hi, today I have an interesting lock for you guys. It's a Yale Superior. It's a dimple lock with some sliders. It was sent to me by Captain Hook #1, so please check him out and subscribe to his channel. It's I don't know, 2 rows of maybe 8 or 9 pins and plus a couple of sliders. So yeah, it's my first slider lock, dimple slider lock. So yeah, I'll try to pick it and hopefully disassembling and see the pins inside. I'm going to use this Z-bar and this flat hook. It's not a hook, I don't know how it's called, so forgot. So the pins are on the bottom and the sliders are on the top, so I will go from the right side and try to pick it. So let's start. A lot of pins. I will probably lose a count of the pins, so I touch pin number 8 or 9 because there are a lot of pins and I'm not sure that I can I do not know sometimes if it's a pin 5 or pin 6, so I think I touch pin number 5 or 6. So yeah, so it's going to be, yeah, I know there are a lot of pins, so it's going to be a tricky lock to pick, and plus on top of that the slider. So now I'm pin 8 or 9 again, so I'm not sure. I'm trying to feel all the pins, like touch them. So now I think I was set pin number 5 or 6. Now it's 1 or 2. I think it's took a little bit of counter rotation on pin 1. So yeah, I'm trying to feel, because they're on 2 rows. It's like a bit difficult to, not difficult, but you need to adjust the pick a bit. So yeah, it's a bit tricky, and yeah, it's different, to be honest. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nothing. So I think I overset something, but I'm not sure. Let me, here is again 1, here is 3, click on pin 3, pin 4, nothing, small click on 5. Yeah, I think the pins, the dimple pins are binding first, then the sliders, but I'm not sure. I will check them. If there is nothing to be picked, I will probably check the sliders. Yeah, I think it's the sliders turn. So I'm doing with this half diamond. So first I'm going to try to just feel them if they want to be moved. Yeah, and they feel springy. Yeah, that's the thing. So I did not set all the pins properly, so let me go back and try to feel all the pins, and they all feel like they're set, but they're probably not set. I think there is a big fall set. So let me now try the sliders. Come on, focus. Yeah, now slider number 1 is stuck. So I will lose attention a bit just to try to move slider 1. Come on. Yeah. And click on slider 1. Oh, and slider 4. And it's open. Oh, nice. Very nice. My first dimple lock and slider lock picked. So pins, and here's the sidebar. Let me remove first the sidebar, just let me rearrange. Here's the sidebar. Let me check the springs. I will remove the key. Yeah, and you can see the sliders. First one, yeah, there is a fault gate. I don't know if you can see, but let me show you. So this is one. So let's start pin 1. I will go up, down. I will try to pin 2, 3. So 1, 1, up, down, up, down. So I am going to do it like that. This pin number 5. I have the key, so if I mess something, I know how to to repin it. So yeah, it seems all the key pins are standard pins. And that was the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, 4 on bottom. Yeah. And here's the core. Nothing done. I think this is a drill protection. Everything is it's standard. Yeah. And let me go and get the. I need to get the shim out. And come on, focus. Now this camera is not going to focus. So the first, probably first is drill protection. First pin is a candy-like pin, so it's a serrated pin. Pretty awesome pin. So I'll put it here. The second one is standard, so up, down, yeah. Third one standard. Fourth one standard. Oh, really? I expected more. Fifth one standard. Let me go from the other side. 5 plus 4, 9 pin. So this is a T pin. Oh, interesting, T pin. So this needs to go, I don't know, here. So 8 pin, pin here probably, and this pin here. I need one more. Yeah, I think I missed something. So here, then here, then here, then here. Yeah. Oh, this was not like easy to do. Let me dump the springs. Oh, they are tiny springs. So here's one of the springs. I'll put it here, and all other springs. I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, and the core, nothing done on the body. This is a drill protection, and if you can see, what, yeah, it's drill protection. So yeah, that was Yale Superior. It was sent to me by Captain Hook #1. Captain Hook, thank you very much for sending it to me. And guys, please check his channel. He already picked some awesome locks, and all of them are very secure. Yeah, they're all security locks. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.